Top 7 Best Car Ramps 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Unscootable technology ensures rock-solid stability. That's why these race ramps are a top choice for car service ramps. You get serious peace of mind during maintenance, tune-ups, or for vehicle displays. They offer an 8-inch lift and are 56 inches long, working well for many passenger vehicles. But if you need variable lift heights, these fixed ramps aren't for you. Overall, they're a stable, dependable option for home garages. Number 2. Removable sections for side access are key to these race ramps. They lift low-profile vehicles 8 inches with a gentle 10.8-degree approach. Each 56-inch ramp supports 1,500 pounds. Their 2-piece build allows great side access for repairs. They're 10 pounds with a built-in tire stopper. Tires up to 10 inches wide is their limit. For low-profile vehicle work, these are a reliable solution. Number 3. Massive 16,000-pound GVW capacity. This makes the FloTool RhinoRamps Max ideal for heavier vehicles, providing serious durability. Its 17-degree incline means easy access for many low-clearance cars. They're also nestable for maximum storage space. While portable, these are still substantial ramps. They're not for minimal garage space. However, the core-track non-skid base helps prevent slippage, offering reliable under-vehicle access. If you need robust, high-capacity automotive ramps for diverse vehicles, these deliver. They're a solid choice for consistent, safe access. Number 4. Low-angle access for tricky cars. These race ramps XTenders reduce your approach angle to just 6.6 degrees. That's perfect for modified or low-clearance vehicles. They're car service ramp extensions that fit 56 or 67-inch race ramps, handling tires up to 12 inches wide. You can remove them for more maintenance room, too. Solid, high-density foam provides non-skid, floor-safe loading. Just know they only work with specific race ramps models. For reliable, low-profile vehicle access, these are a strong pick. Number 5. Heavy-duty 10,000-pound capacity is a real standout for these Black Widow service ramps. They're built tough from durable, high-impact plastic. You get a solid 6.25 inches of lift for routine maintenance like oil changes on cars and trucks. Plus, the grid design lets water and dirt filter right through. However, that 6.25-inch lift might not be enough for some bigger jobs. If you need a lot more clearance, you'll want something else. For basic upkeep, these are robust plastic car ramps that deliver reliable support. It's a great choice for most home mechanics. Number 6. It's the adjustable hydraulic lift that sets these Black Widow car ramps apart. They give you a stable 6 to 15.5-inch elevation for oil changes and underbody work. Rated for 3,000 pounds per pair, they're sturdy for most passenger vehicles. This durable, all-steel design offers a secure alternative to traditional jack stands. Just remember, they're not for heavy-duty trucks or large SUVs, staying under that 3,000-pound limit. For versatile hydraulic car ramps, these deliver reliable support for your home garage. Number 7. These car service ramps are perfect for low-clearance vehicles. Their 8.3-degree loading angle makes getting under tight spots safer and much more convenient. You'll get a strong, lightweight PP material set with a 3-ton, 6,600 pounds capacity. Honeycomb channels also help prevent moisture buildup, a smart design. They're easy to store and transport with a compact package size. However, they're designed for lower lifts, so if you need maximum height for your vehicle maintenance, these might not be for you. It's a solid, practical choice. Thanks for watching Best Car Ramps. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.